Hello and welcome back to another Flamo review. Today we're taking a look at the Customize Effect Action Image version in red. And since there's no articulation, let's start off with everything that comes in the set. You get 2 larger funnels, 1 smaller different funnel, 2 little thrust plumes, 2 ground impact effects, 2 impact ring effects, and of course the usual effect part stand. Also, as is standard for the customized effects, all the connection points are 3mm pegs and holes, and all the effect parts have at least one of those. And as for a quick size comparison, these effect parts are pretty much the same size as all the other customized effect parts. Not quite as large as the Figurize effects, but still sizable. Perfect for any 1/44 scale kit that you want to use it with. And there's not really much more to go over, so let's start wrapping this review up. These effect parts are really nice. I do kind of wish I had gotten the yellow ones now, since the thrust would work really well for my new Gundam, but the red still works fine, and honestly I like that they're actually releasing effects in red, since it's a little bit situational, but when you need them they look really good. All the parts included are useful, if a little situational in a few places, and this kit isn't very expensive, so if you want effect parts, this is a pretty good option. Anyway, that's all for this review. Be sure to let me know what you think down in the comments below. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, helps a lot. Subscribe and hit the bell for future reviews. Go follow me on Twitter for updates, and consider supporting me on Patreon so I can keep making reviews just like this one. And as always, until next time, happy building.